today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert current date and time in cell, header, footer with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, its insert workbook information utility enables you to insert current date and time into a cell, a header, or a footer easily. First, click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Workbook drop-down list and click on the Insert Workbook Information. In the Opening Insert Workbook Information dialog box, check the Current Date and Time option. And in the Insert Add section, specify a position by clicking this button. Click the OK button and again click the OK button. Then current date and time is inserted at the specified cell or header or footer at once. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.